guys, today I will show you when you connect your blogger website to the AdSense. You will see here Ad.txt status not found. I will show you how to fix this one. So you have to open both thing, your blogger and your AdSense. Okay, so what you do, if you come to home, you will see three options. One, payment, it's green, and ads done, and site, it has a warning. Okay, something you need your attention here, so it's showing required. So if you go inside, you will see here under ads.txt status not found. Okay, approval is getting ready, and this is your website. Okay, so if you have something like this, what you do, you go to your blogger, open your blogger account, and go to settings. Under settings, you come down until you see monetization, and okay, should be enabled. If is it disabled, you need to enable it. Okay, so here where you need to put the text, so when you click, it will ask a text. Okay, so you need to paste something here. What you do, you go to Google, type ads.txt. we need to find that AdSense text format. Okay, that's why I come here. There's a format. This is a format, guy. Okay, this is a format. Okay, this is not the correct one. This is a format. So open your notepad. Okay, and paste that whatever we copied. Do not change here anything. This will be keep as it is. Do not change. Okay, you are going to change only this one. You have to paste your publisher ID. Okay, so this is just a sample ID. You need to just copy and paste your publisher ID. So how you get your publisher ID, you need to go to AdSense. Under AdSense, you will see here this, if you have connected to YouTube, it will show AdSense for YouTube, home, ad site, blah blah blah. You will come here until account, and under account you will see account information. Okay, under account information you will see publisher ID. This is the publisher ID. You have to copy and paste your own ID. Okay, not someone else ID or my ID or whatever. It should copy and paste your own ID. Okay, just copy this one, paste here. Simply you have to replace, that's it. Then you copy this text, fully copy. Okay, go to your blogger settings. Here you have to paste, that's it. Once you paste, you have to wait maybe 24 hours, 48 hours, depending on, so you have to wait. Okay, just save it. Once you saved, it's done. Yes, that's it. Save it, and you have to wait, so maybe 48 hours, so it will reflect here. Okay guys, thank you. It took like 4 to 5 hours. I got an email from the AdSense that saying my account, like my request was not approved due to some criteria issue. So anyhow, then I came back to my AdSense account. Then I saw there's a rejection message, and I could not record that time. So anyhow, I just went back to home in the AdSense login. So when I go, there's another message showing in my screen right now. That's what right now I have. And once you click from the home button, you will get this window, and here you will see the next, verify site ownership. Just click next, and request review. Just click request review. After that, you will get this screen. The three options should be in green, and it's connecting to site, and review is under process. It will take like 2 to 4 days, maybe it's within 24 hours it may be completed. So this is a final process. Even you get rejection, you don't worry. Go to AdSense, go to home. Okay, you can see here under AdSense for YouTube. So go under the home, just click that one, then you will get the previous window. From there, just click next and request for review. That's it. Thank you guys.